कि खूबोर का बातें सी टीवी लवन राशपी तक Frank Motors booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kinyasngi hadin baka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee klapin manapat ba bo MLA ka Gambe Grey constituency usalang isangma unde Kyrtong ka party Ïakhun election MP. Urakam isangma ubde Menteri Sarkar ubde naga National People Party ulai kuble Kitbok rang ya u. Habekran bekla pathai kubor urakam isangma ulong bo ai kuble yu henmen ublayo yak tiket Ïakhun ka Lok Sabha election na Tura seat. Kumbalong minta urakam ulayat ho bakal jung Congress kam da bet han shu minta bat ngam tip hadukat no bo saleng unla ban pinbe biyang yakal jung Congress tang haki khendiat por.
So I congratulate my elder brother Mr. Saleng for getting the ticket to contest the Lok Sabha election. I wish him all the best. So whether winning or losing is a very different things. So maybe it might be dreams for him. So I think so. We should not underestimate anybody. Election is election. But I wish him all the best. But as of now, I want to inform everybody that the picture of Congress, the waves is not it is very insignificant presence. I think I don't know how far but Saleng can create a wave. A very short time. Last 1 month back, he was with me. Just we were talking about this only. He said, I will not contest, but I don't know. But he's very lucky. He got ticket to contest. Wish him all the best.